We're in the attic of the carriage house, and this has been the big cleanup. All this is cleaned. I'm down to this area right around the stairs. Well, not the stairs, the opening. I need to put stairs in later. So I had to clean this area right here. So we're down to 3 boards, which I'll remove 1 or 2 more of them. And then we have to clean up this area here. Then we need to think about what's our next step. So I'm just not sure how level these are. I mean, it seems like they would be okay. It looks like they are along the edge. We're laying some boards in, so I'll bring some more hemlock up. Well, more, I haven't brought any up yet. And hopefully we're going to come up with some idea to get rid of these. One thing I should point out, I don't think I did before, is you have these huge beams. You have 2 sets of them going up in the middle here. And at the bottom they have this, at least a 1-inch rod going all the way across. Now I can slide the boards underneath that, so that's good. So that's going to be, at some point I'll need to it'll be just something you'll have to walk over. It is a pretty big area, so it is going to take quite a bit of lumber up here. But I'm really happy that it's getting this clean. Maybe 1 more day and I'll have it. It was a mess. And then we have to, at some point we have to deal with the wiring too. We have electric wire up here. Remember, this was wired after it was built. There was no electricity at the point that this was built, most likely. Okay, so let's get doing some more cleanup, and then we'll move on to our next task of the day. Should probably be siding.